iBuild One South Africa kanye nenhlangano yosombusazwe abayimele i-Independent Candidates Association bafaka isikhalo enkantolo yomthethosisekelo bethi lo Umthetho Omusha wokhetho uyaphikisana nomthethosisekelo wezwe. Lezi inhlangano zithi ngokomthetho oshicilelwe osombusazwe abayimele bangancintisana ehlalweni ezingama200 kwengama400 ePhalamende. Zabe seyinxusa enkantolo ukuba ichithe lokhu ngelithi kuyenzelela futhi akunabulungiswa. Ongenani zithi inani lehlalo abangancintisana kuzo alikhushulele ku350.
The applicant has failed to discharge the onus of proving the model articulated by Parliament infringes on the equal protection provisions provided for in sections 3(2)(a) and 9(1) of the Constitution, as alleged. For these reasons, the section 3(2)(a) challenge also fails.
Inkantolo isivumile isicelo sebhosa sokwehliswa kwesibalo sabantu okumele bacikice ukuvumela oyimele angenele ukhetho sisuke ku10,000 siye ku1,000.
The Chief Justice concludes that the signature requirement does not infringe any Section 19 rights. The Chief Justice also referred to a judgment of this court in affordable medicines. In that case, the court held that not every regulation of a right amounts to a limitation of the right in question.
Inkantolo ayisikhiphanga isinqumo ukuzothwala izindleko zenkantolo.